Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an AI avatar in Heygen. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Heygen website. Sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the option called Avatars or Create Avatar and click on it. Now you'll see different options, script to video and photo to video. If you want to create a talking avatar, stay on script to video. Now, on the left side, you'll see a box labeled Script. Here you can type or paste your text that your avatar will speak. Next, on the right side, you can upload a photo or drag and drop an image if you want to turn it into an AI avatar video. Below, you can choose voice settings like language, tone, and resolution such as 720p. Once everything is ready, just click the Generate button at the bottom right, wait a few moments, and Heygen will create your AI avatar video automatically. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.